fancy little boxes. Okay, how do I open this? Okay, it's the Weilong V11. Oh my god, it feels very light. Okay, so my main, it's been the YS3M. I've used it for so long, like the logo, like you can't even see it. Like that's crazy because like I got this when it was like first like released, and then it's been my main since then. Okay, and this one, that kind of died on me, which is basically why I got this. But then this feels a lot lighter. I do have a preference for liking like heavier cubes, but let's get these. Oh my. Wow. Okay. If I recall correctly, like out of the box, like Gan cubes and Moyu cubes, they tend to be like super fast. Okay. Okay. I'll definitely have to lube this. I also got the Ingstrom set of lubes. Yeah, I usually start off by adding like a little bit of this, but then that little bit is actually, I'm gonna have to apply a lot. This is incredibly fast. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so whenever cubes are light and they turn like really fast, it's usually prone to make corner twists, but then it's not very easy on this cube. Okay, so that's interesting. Okay, I'll lube it and then I'll definitely do some solves and give some updates.